Hey guys, it's Croatia. Today I decided to do a little DIY project. I've seen a lot of YouTubers making a lot of those DIY ring lights, and I decided to be cheap, I decided to be cheap and go out and get the materials and make my own ring light because I don't got no $200, $300 for no ring light. So I'm gonna be broke and I'm gonna make my own ring light. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully I can figure this out on my own and we can get this started. So wish me luck. Alright, bye. Alright, so for the materials, you're gonna need 2 packs of zip ties. I got them in 8 inches and 11 inches. You're gonna need a pair of scissors, any marker, some clear tape, and the LED rope lights from Walmart, but make sure to get them in the color daylight. You're also going to need aluminum foil and wax paper, which is optional. You're also going to need a cardboard, and also don't forget your wire wreath, and that is in 18 inches. Now you're going to want to trace a circle around your wire wreath with your marker. Then you're going to get your scissors and cut along the lines of your circle that you just drew. And you're going to keep cutting, and I hope your wrist game is pretty strong for this because my wrist was hurting after doing this. I never knew cardboard could be so tough. And we're still cutting. Alright, now that I got it cut on my circle, you're going to want to go ahead and cut the inside out, which is also 10 times as hard. You can tell I was trying to be a perfectionist. Alright, now that you got your cardboard circle cut out, you're going to get your aluminum foil and you're going to go ahead and wrap that all around your cardboard. And you don't have to be neat with this step, just as long as the aluminum foil sticks to the cardboard. Just mold it around your ring. Alright, now that you got your aluminum foil wrapped around, you're going to get your wire wreath and you're going to start to zip tie the lights around your wreath. The first time doing this, it took me a good maybe close to an hour to do it, but after I did it for the second time, I probably got done in like 30 minutes. So now that you got your your lights zip tied around the wires. You're gonna cut the excess zip ties off, and be careful because once you do that it becomes really sharp, so you might just scratch yourself. Okay, now that everything's cut and trimmed, you're gonna go ahead and get the aluminum foil that you wrapped around the cardboard and put it underneath it. You're going to use your 11-inch zip ties and you're going to tie it to the cardboard. Just secure it in place. Alright, and that is how you make your DIY light ring. Alright guys, so it's actually a new day. So I realized last night that after I plugged in my lights, they weren't the right color, which I should have plugged it in the first place before I started doing anything to make sure it was the right ones, and it wasn't. They were more of a yellow tint. So I actually made the whole thing. I had to cut the the zip ties. I had to cut the zip ties off and return the lights back to Walmart and get the right ones. So I'm actually going to show you guys the finished product, and hopefully you guys don't make the same mistake I do. So make sure and check your lights first, plug them in, make sure they're the right color, and you won't have to go through the same thing I did. But I'm about to show you guys what the lights look like. Okay, so I'm going to plug them in with the lights on. This is with the lights off. Okay, these are the lights. You can definitely tell a huge difference. And excuse my face, I have a lot of hyperpigmentation on my face, so just excuse that. So yeah, it's really made a huge difference. So now I'm gonna turn the lights off so you guys can see what it looks like. This is it with the lights off, still bright. So yeah, you can definitely see a huge difference. So yeah, I definitely would recommend this DIY project. It's really simple, easy, and it cost me less than $25. And everything that I used for this project I got from Walmart. So yeah, just go to your nearest Walmart, check it out, and see what you can do. But yeah, I really love this light. It's amazing. Like, just look at that. So yeah, comment, like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up for this video. Let me know what you guys think, any advice, anything what you guys want to see. But yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I'm looking forward to having you guys as my subscribers, know me new people, and I'm gonna try and upload more videos. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, bye. Too fast to take it slow, got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time when I met you in the summer, and I came to your town.